Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can feed a PDF file to ChatGPT. So if you want ChatGPT to analyze a PDF you have or just summarize it, then this is how you can do this. So if you have ChatGPT 4 or higher or 4.0, then you can directly import a PDF into ChatGPT. So you can just link it here, upload from computer, and then ChatGPT will have access to these PDFs, and you can let ChatGPT analyze it, search out words, maybe summarize it, create a presentation based on the PDF. There's tons of things you can really do with this. And yeah, if you have a ChatGPT premium plan, then you can just import the PDF directly and use it that way. Now, if you don't want to pay for ChatGPT premium, there is a workaround, of course, quite basic. You want to just open up the PDF, copy everything you want ChatGPT to know or to analyze, and then just copy that, paste it into the message with ChatGPT, and then you have this text in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can analyze it that way without you having to upload the PDF. Quite easy workaround that you can use. Just upload the text and then use that text for ChatGPT to analyze it or summarize it or whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, that's a quite easy workaround you can use, or just get ChatGPT Premium and then you can upload the PDFs easily. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. I'll be happy to help you, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you like this video.